Good morning. Oh, what the hell is this? Book? Grandma got me a book? I hate this book. Oh no. I need to hide. Grandma is not gonna find me, bro. I legit go to the bed. Grandma? Hello, Grandma. Grandma? I think I just did something bad. Oh no! Grandma? Grandma? Oh, what did I do? I did nothing. Grandma? Please, I'm not totally under the bed. I'm not under. You do not see me. What? You do not see me. Nuh-uh. Put it here. Oh no, I need to hide. I need to go under. Hello, Grandma. Grandma? Hello, Grandma. You do not see me. Hello, Grandma. Grandma, what are you doing? Grandma, where's my book? Give me my book. Grandma, totally, you do not see me or anything. Please. Why is she laughing? Let me get that book and need to go down here. Grandma, where are you? Oh no. Grandma, I'm scared. Grandma, where are you? I'm gonna go up here. My game. Grandma, where are you? Thank you, Grandma. I'm gonna go down now. Hello, Grandma. I need to go to there. A freaking shotgun? Nah. Man, I love the backyard. I love the backyard though. Still have my book. Let me put my book in here. No, I don't want to sit on it. I'm gonna just take it and just hide. I think Grandma's coming. Man, I love the backyard again. Oh, I'm missing it. Let's just close this. Get there. Let's go here. And just go down. Bird seed? Man, the Grandma got me a bird. Oh no, she's coming. I think she's coming right toward me, bro. I think I did. Grandma, did you got me a bird? Grandma, did you got me a bird? Grandma. Chill out. I did not take the bird seed at all. Grandma, just chill out. Grandma. Chill out, Grandma. Chill out. Oh no. Grandma, did you give me a... Grandma, did you got me a bird? Thank you, Grandma. I always wanted a bird. I know. What to say? Wait. This is my 50th day. This in this house. She already chased me, whatever. And I'm adopted? I'm adopted? Man, I thought she was my real grandma. Get that, stupid. Let me just go over there. I hate all my grandpas if she got into grandpa again. Let me just go in there. So now I just need Grandma. Grandma's there! Grandma? What are you still doing in the backyard? Grandma? I think she should not hear me. Grandma, I don't want this bird seed. Hiding. She don't see me. Grandma, I hate one of my birds. Okay, bye, Grandma. Why does this song always beats me up, bro? What is this? Wait, what's this? I need to get remote control. She opened it. I just heard a freaking door open. I think, is it right over here? It's says I need to get a bit closer. Oh no. She's still in the backyard? She loves the backyard. Grandma? I think she's still in the backyard, or is she coming? Grandma? I hear her. I heard her! I heard her! I heard her! Grandma? Oh, there she is. There she is. I need to hide. I need to hide. Grandma? Grandma? Huh. Doesn't work on Grandma. Grandma? Oh no. Grandma? Grandma? Ha 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 ha. Grandma, are you saying here that I'm adopted? Take this. I'm not adopted. I thought you were my real grandma. Where's my mom? Where's my other grandma? That's stupid. Just go to the backyard. Bye-bye, Grandma. Grandma, it's for breakfast. I already said that. Okay. Stupid Grandma. Why are you laughing? Grandma? Grandma? Grandma?